I bet you didn't know Burundi has a dish that'll blow your taste buds away. Get ready to discover a culinary gem. Meet boko boko hariz, a savory, hearty porridge that's as comforting as a warm hug. This dish is a festive favorite, especially during celebrations like Eid. Made from cracked wheat and tender, slow-cooked meat, usually chicken or lamb, it's spiced to perfection with ginger, garlic, and cardamom. The secret? It's all in the slow cooking, letting flavors meld together into pure magic. What's even cooler? Boko boko hariz is a dish that brings people together. It's often shared in large communal bowls, making every meal a social event. And the best part? It's incredibly wholesome and filling. So next time you're looking to impress at dinner, why not try making boko boko hariz? Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Remember, food is more than just sustenance. It's a connection to culture and community. And Burundi's boko boko hariz is a delicious reminder of that. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures. Catch you next time.